Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn that how you can create security pin for your Coinbase account. So guys, to begin with, you need to open your Coinbase application. Once you open the application, make sure that you are signed into your account, then tap on the menu option at the top left corner. From there, you need to tap on Profile and Settings. From here, you need to scroll down where you will find the security option, and just under that, you have the required pin biometric option. So you need to tap on the enable. It will bring you here. From here, you need to select the 4-digit pin. And so I will select a pin first. So guys, once you select the pin, they say you need to confirm that pin. So once you confirm the pin, now they say required to open application. If you want that pin to be used to open the application, required to send crypto, use biometrics. So if you want this pin to be used for everything like this, you can enable that one. If you just only want the pin to be used to open the application, so you can enable only that one. It depends on your preference from here. So once you've done the settings, you can go back and the pin will already be set up for your. I will go back to the settings to show you one more time. Again, go to here. As you can see, now the security pin has been enabled. So guys, this is all it takes to create a security pin for your Coinbase account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.